Morris, toldtobetobroke.com, toldtobetobroke.com. I'm trying to see, what would I like to tell you guys? I was a black belt, brother Charles, son to Charles and Charlotte Morris, civil engineer. Oh, if it weren't for me being persistent and Miss Mills telling me to go get my teeth checked, I wouldn't have no teeth. I remember I was sitting in Miss Mills' office one day, and she looked at my teeth. My teeth was all over. Sharks had better teeth than me. She says, "Martin, have you considered going to a dentist?" Didn't even cross my mind. Everyone else in my family had straight teeth, but Hogg, my grandfather, got the dentures, so he had straight teeth. I'm the one that looked like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre guy. So I decided, you know what? I'm just going to call people up till I can vent. I kept bugging grandfather, my Hogg, my mama, till they finally took me to the dentist. You thought, how it'd be easy, wear some braces, do some cleaning. Oh, no, not for me, not for me. First I went to one dentist, like, something doesn't look right. I'm gonna send you to another dentist. I didn't even think about it. Oh, maybe my teeth are in such great shape, do you wanna check me out? Nope. Turns out I had this rare gum disease. I ended up at the USC Medical Center, and they were talking about this experimental procedures. That was in the old days when bone marrow transfer was just at the infancy. And I said, well, what we can do is we can open up your gum, put the bone in, reseal it, and see if the bone grows. And that's it. That was the pitch. And then if you do that, we'll give you a discount off on your medical procedures. So, and it was not easy. Who knows where USC is? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you know where USC. Imagine having to catch the RTD bus from Imperial to Figueroa, from Figueroa to USC, get off, walk to the dental center, which is not in the front. It's way in the back. Only highlight was looking at all the college girls. Subscribe. So I did that for 2 years. Then I had braces. But all of that, when I was started, if Miss Mills, I said, Martin, your teeth could be a lot more straighter. Why don't you consider going to the dentist? And I had to push my grandmother. I remember we ride the RTD bus down Imperial to Wilshire to Dr. Wasserman's office, go up there, tighten the braces, check the teeth, go up there sometimes, get the wisdom teeth out. Oh, who can imagine? Could you imagine? It's bad enough driving in a car. Just imagine being on an RTD with a whole bunch of people. Mind-boggling, but remember what Grant Cardone says, when creativity follows something, makes a decision, there's a way, I can't think of it right now, but I said I need to get the teeth clean. I had to just survive the bone surgery. Then from the bone surgery, I had to get the braces, and then from the braces, I had to get through keeping and maintaining. So creativity follows something. For the decision making, I can't think of it, but that's my story, Lord. Let me know if you're a dental still. So even to this day, that's why if you want any tips on dental products, come to me. I have Proxy Bus, Rotodent. I do the floss threaders. I can show you the different type of mouthwashes you're using. Now I'm checking out the different crests, gum deactivator, gum cleaner, whitener. I do it all, man. But you got to do it for the teeth, man. Especially now, a lot of people are going to cut back on their teeth and their appearance, and I don't want you to do that. This is the time. Invest the money. Back then, it was $5,000 that's how much it cost for braces, and another $2,000 for another procedure. That was when it was bad. Inflation was just starting back then. So subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about my dental things. What do you want to know about the dentist? I can tell you anything. Bone, teeth pulling. Even a few weeks, about 2 or 3 months ago, I had to do something with a tooth here. It's like, fuck, man. This is like the 21st fucking century. People are gay, binary, trinary. We're sending fucking things to the moon. The teeth is the same. Fuck. I thought there'd be easier procedures. Nope. But you got to do it. Subscribe.